my last speaker is from Excelitas Technologies. Arthur Stauder is with me and is going to give a presentation on how to find appropriate components for your machine vision challenges. So Arthur, the floor is yours.
Thank you. Okay, hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Arthur Stauder. I'm product manager at Excelitas Technologies. And my talk today is about how to find appropriate components for your machine vision challenges. First, I want to do a short introduction about Excelitas Technologies. What is our mission? Our mission is to provide innovative photonic components and subsystems to global OEMs who are seeking the highest performance solution from a market-driven partner. I think a lot of people know our brands, and before we stayed here on the Vision with our Linus machine vision lenses, as well as the PCO cameras, or key-optic photonic solutions, and we are now the first time here under our Excelitas umbrella. Therefore, I want to do a short introduction about Excelitas Technologies. We have a global footprint. Our headquarters is in Waltham, Massachusetts. It's a US company, and we have over 18 photonic manufacturing centers, mainly in Europe, US, and Asia. Now I want to show you a bit about our tradition. The Excelitas came from 1931 from the MIT and is with Excelitas since 2010. And I'm from the Linus and Key-optic division, where we produce lenses, and we are based on rotor stock from 1877 and have therefore a long history in optical manufacturing. But what means optical inspection at Excelitas? We provide the Linus machine vision and inspection lenses as well as the Optim applied microscopy system, and new since last year in our Excelitas family are the PCO scientific cameras. Okay, now I want to start with the imaging lenses and our machine vision systems. And the question is how to select the needed components for your machine vision tasks and application. And our answer is the Machwis software. We provide a software. This is a machine vision lens selector and configurator. And today I want to show you how it works. If you look to the software, I will not go into detail today in this 10-15 minute talk. Therefore, I want to give a rough overview. First, if you open the software, you get a classical toolbar. Then you have an input section for your specification for your application. Then we have a results table, what gives you system information and calculating geometrical optics. And last but not least, we have the system information about the proposed solution. But have a look in detail. First, it is an input sheet, the specification sheet. And the idea was to do it very easy, to have first 4 numbers, what you need to find an optical solution. You need the working distance proposed, then the optic size or a magnification, what you want to do. And you can select the camera from our PCO cameras, or you can give into the sensor size of your camera, and we need the camera mount. Out of these numbers, Machwis starts to calculate a system. In detail, it gives always a series in front. That means out of these numbers, it calculates the magnification and the focal length. And then it searches in our database about the focal length in a given tolerance and looks what kind of solutions. Here in the example, the theory says you need you're searching for a 69mm lens, and we have solutions from 90 to 105mm. And then you can start to select a system. Then we have a look if we got the results table. From the calculation, you get the information about the proposed system. We give here first a schematic system drawing, what means also working distance, total working distance, object size, image size, and proposed lens, all the information of the depth of field based on the pixel size and on the aperture. The aperture you can also select in the software in details. This is also the output from the schematic system drawing. The object size and the image size is from your input. Also, we provide the components drawing. Then you see, because to fit the lens to your camera, you need mechanical accessories. Our lenses are based on a flexible mount system. That means we have not only F-mount lenses or C-mount lenses, we have flexible lenses and a flexible system. Therefore, it provides a lens adapter, an extension tube if needed, the focus module, and the camera adapter. And also, we provide this completely in a list, a summary, and it is also all 3D CAD files are integrated that you can download it completely and bring it into your project. This should help you to find the right solution and can do a direct integration. Okay, you have also the opportunity to do printouts to save your specification. You have, then here is given the input data from your request to the software. You get the proposed system, you get the schematic drawing and the calculated values. You can save it, you can forward this to your R&D, or you can use it for later. Okay, this for machine vision lenses. Now we have a look to our applied microscopy and micro inspection systems. First, I want to show you our modular microscopy system. This is the Optum system, and this is based off sub-modules. It's a flexible system. Then first you can choose a lot of components, assemble, stick it together. There are plenty of opportunities, and then you can image. But what opportunities we have in the system? First, it provides for a flexible system different working distances from 13 to 490 millimeter. That's the opportunity to have zoom models inside. It's a 7:1 zoom or a 12.5:1 zoom. We support resolutions from over 550 micron down to sub-micron resolution below 1 micron. And also the magnification is flexible from 0.05 up to 200 microns. We also support microscopic lenses for this system. This is a flexible system where you can stick together and find a solution for your application. Also, we have a shortwave infrared system in the Optum family. You could share with us here on our booth in combination with the PCO Pixelfly shortwave infrared camera. What means shortwave infrared? You can see it here. If you have only NIR with shortwave infrared, is to make invisible things visible for defect inspection, look through silicon in the semiconductor industry, in forensics or material research. Although here an example, if you look invisible, you can't see this is a silicon filter, and here it shows you can look through silicon. We provide shortwave infrared systems at Optum, and also now with PCO, the cameras. But back to Machvis, our software, therefore we integrated there the configurators. You see, such a microscope system is a bit more complex as a standard machine vision lens to adapt to a camera. Therefore, we started with the Optum configurator. And a basic system also has a camera adapter, tube lens. Here's the zoom option. At the moment here, aperture set, but you can integrate the zoom systems if you need. You have, we call it the lower function module. That is possible that you have a coaxial illumination or you have a focus. You can also, the option here is for motorization. The zoom is motorizable as well as the focusing, especially with the lower function module. And we have also then here a lower lens or a microscopic lens when you can fit and stick it together to find a solution for your application. Also, we provide a liquid lens module for that system if needed for fast focusing. And if you look to this configurator, here you can start to bring it and get all these technical data about numerical aperture, magnification, more the technical data if you need it for your special task. Here I want to show what is possible with this system. You can handle very complex micro imaging systems with integrated illumination with a zoom, with a motorization. Also, if you're space restricted, you can see around the corner. It's not a problem. It's a very flexible micro inspection system. Although we give from this complex configuration, you see, we started to do it in different colors. That you have here the optical system, then the mainstream, the lighting positions, and the electronic control units. I know this is very complex. We are always happy from the application product management team as well as the sales team to support you with your task to find the right solution. Also, it's integrated all 3D data. You can also download the files and bring it directly into your project. As well as at the machine vision, you get a printout from the input system, the proposed data, and all technical data. Okay, also new, it's on our website, this is Machvis Online. We have the desktop version for download and installation, but now new, it's the online version. This is a cross-platform for computers, PCs, Macs, or also mobile devices. You have a good user interface, interactive charts. You call it work to go, and be more flexible, and on the road you can configure if you're at your customer inside the project team, you have it in your hand. Okay, therefore I will give a short summary about Machvis. Machvis is here to help you to get it simple and straightforward in selecting and adapting optical systems for your solutions. The first intention was only 4 parameters and you get an optical system. It is possible. Also, you can enlarge this to complex systems. We also provide the PCO cameras, the Linus machine vision lenses, and the Optum Fusion system. Also, we all 3D data and CAD files, and I think this will our solution to find the right components for your applications. Also, I want to say, last but not least, it's a freeware. You can have free download and free access via our website. Okay, thank you. And I'm now open for questions.
Thank you, Arthur, from Excelitas Technologies. Great. Questions? I know it has been a long day, but still, Mr. Stauder is here with you, and you can grill him a little bit more if you want. Great technology. In the online chat room, I don't find any questions either. So last chance. Well, I might have a question.
You're welcome.
How many employees does Excelitas have in a whole?
Excelitas overall over 7,000 employees.
Wow.
Worldwide, with a lot of facilities from Middle East Asia, based the optics and camera division here in Central Europe, and mainly the lighting division. Also our colleagues from Exxon, they're today here at the booth the first time from US.
Okay. And if you look at, let's say, more machine vision oriented people within Excelitas, it's a team of how many?
Oh, that's a good question. Yeah, we do a lot of semiconductor. If you look to the lens business, where I am from, we have in our facility what is focused on medicine and industrial optics, on machine. Yeah, and a part of these is machine vision. We have over 400 employees. Over
400.
Yes, but this is production and medicine, as well as industrial applications, like we're doing also f-theta lenses, we're doing micro benches from the catalog part. It's you've seen where I started in front. You've seen a lot of companies, and all known companies is now together under the umbrella. We have still our product brands.
PCO, for example. Yeah.
As PCO, for example.
Okay.
Also as key optical aligners and other ones.
Wow. So
in our family.
A whole family joining forces for machine vision to solve your machine vision challenges, as you said in your presentation. Thank you.